Hello guys. Yeah, so there is this game here which I'm playing today, which is called Extra Chill. So this game is a new game, like I never played it before, so I want to see what will happen to this game, guys. Let's just see what will happen to this game because I never played it before. I'm just gonna spin it. Let me spin it now. But okay, start at 2 rand. Yeah, starting at 2 rand. So let me check something. Okay, but I don't know. I don't want to reveal. Okay, I don't want to reveal the. I don't want to reveal the like how it works, like because of like how we have to play. Let me check something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me also check some. Okay, if I can reduce the sound. All right, and then okay there. Okay, it's fine there. All right. Okay, yeah, I can reduce. Okay, it's off. Okay, let me. I can make it on. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's history. Okay. All right. So yeah. Let's just check. Let's just spin it, guys. With 2 rands and see if it can. We can get something. Okay. I can't. I thought I can't see my total amount. I can see it now. There we have 118. All right. I'm just gonna make some screens. Let me just spin, guys. Let me just spin it. Yeah, I'm gonna just spin it now. Okay, yeah, and then okay, now we're going to just spin the oh, why it sending us here now? Because we didn't want it. Okay, it's fine. I just close it. So guys, if you are a new member in this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, support the channel, and then when we go live, guys, we are going to go higher with the givings this time. As I've promised, guys, that I'm going to nominate 10 people after when we get 10 subscribers. And thank you guys for supporting. If you are a new member, kindly subscribe to this channel, and then you might be the winner. So don't give up. We have made it so far. Okay guys, I see more than 10. Okay, seems like this guy is chilly. What okay, maybe we can get J there. Okay, it's fine. What's that chilly now about? Because of okay, but no, let me see if I can make some spins, guys. Okay, yeah, I see select. Okay, I'm gonna select 50. Let's start. Okay, let me check also loss limit and start. Okay, winning, let me just make it on 2000. Okay, loss limit is 100. Yeah, I can make it 100. And okay, 2000. Okay, yeah, let's start it again. Yeah, so there are many chilies there. You can see A is there. It looks like it's a good game. It looks like it's a good game. Okay, J. Oh, I thought it's J there. Okay, keep tumbling. Okay, 5 run, 15 run will take it. I want to see this chili, guys. I want to see this chili, how it's going to work. Okay, let's see what will happen. And don't forget that if you are a new member, can. Oh, okay. 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 I thought maybe. I'm just reducing the volume. Guys. Okay, fair friend. Many queue there. Hi guys, I don't know, like, you don't think I should buy the bonus? I'm thinking of buying the bonus, guys, and take a risk, but let me see what he's gonna give me first, because I'm surprised what's going on here. But it's a new game, like, I think maybe it's paid. Let me see. Okay, because I'm thinking of buying a bonus now. Maybe we're gonna get some grappa. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I'm just gonna buy a bonus, guys. I'm taking a risk of buying a bonus for 80 rand. Let's see if it's gonna give us something, this bonus. Yeah, let's just buy it. There is no way. Okay. Okay, yes, fine. I will click OK. It says collect and gamble. What's this? Okay, am I going to get 8 spins here or 12 spins? Okay, I'm gonna collect. No, I'm gonna collect. Let's start. Okay, so many cakes there. And don't forget, if you're new member, guys, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so many J's there. Let's see if it can connect. Because of that. Okay, we got X3X there. 9 there. Okay, seems like it's tumbling. Yeah, it seems like it's tumbling nicely. Let's see if it's gonna happen now. Okay, don't forget, guys, okay, so many chilies that, okay, let me see. I want to see what will happen in those chilies there. Let's see if something can happen. Yeah, because I don't understand. Okay, we're on X7. And don't forget, if you're a new member, to subscribe to this channel, support the channel. We'll go live here in this channel and you might be a winner of the voucher. Okay, so many J's. Let's see if, okay, let it keep trembling. Let it keep trembling. Let it keep trembling. K, we need K's. Okay, we got 10. We're on X12. Okay, big win. It's a big win. It's a big win, guys. We'll take it. Oh, big win. Oh, super mega win, guys. Now we are on super mega win. Super mega win. Mega win. We're on 200 and something. We're on 300, guys. We're on 300 rand. Let's see what will happen. Yes, let's see what will happen. Thank you. I'm surprised. This is extra chill. We did it, guys. Epic win. I'm just gonna see what I can do. Let me see. Okay, again, what's happening here? I don't understand. What's happening? Big win. What's happening, guys? Let me know if you have played this game in the comment section, if you know about it. Let me know if you have played it before. Yeah, I'm happy, guys. Thank you, guys. And then you can also try to play this game. You can try to play this game if, okay, I'm on let's see, I'm on 570. I'm gonna take it 500. I'm gonna withdraw it, guys, and thank you for watching. So if you are a new member in this channel, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. In this channel we give away vouchers, and I'm going to be live. And then if you want to try, you can also try to play this game, and then you see, maybe you can grab something. We don't know. I tried it with just I took a risk, and I walk away with 570. Now I'm going to withdraw 500 rand. Thank you guys for watching this channel, and if you're a new member, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys, thank you very much. Have a good day. And then I'm so happy. I was taking a risk in this game. I never thought maybe something like this will happen, but amazingly it happens. I was playing it on HollywoodBet here. I'm on HollywoodBet. So guys, I'm not gonna play too much. I'm going to end here, and then have a good day. Bye.